Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the Camtasia installer error that requires the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistributable v14 or later. If you get this error when installing the Camtasia MSI, consult the Camtasia help documentation, and note that Camtasia requires these runtime libraries to run. Simply open the link from the PDF document. Then on the website select the topmost link for the latest supported redistributables. Then select the architecture, in my case x64, to download the MSI. After downloading, open the installer and install the Microsoft Visual C++ v14 redistributable. Once the installation finishes, restart the Camtasia MSI installation. This time the error should not appear. The installation should work now, but you may encounter another error if you're not an enterprise user. If you encounter that error, download the correct installer for your system. The Camtasia Setup X includes all required dependencies. Tick the checkboxes in the installer window, then press the green Install button. When the installation is finished, no more errors should appear and you can finally use Camtasia.